All praises to the Most High. We here about to eat. You seen the title? We got some Wagyu steak. Some green beans, some mashed potatoes. You know, real holiday, real festive. And then we got some surf and turf vibrations today. We got the shrimp mac and cheese. I know a lot of y'all excited about this one. It smell good. I'm hungry. I've been waiting. Just some pineapple juice, you know. Family. What do we eat first? I know. Alright. You gotta start off basic, you know. Let me make sure that ooh, I did that. Okay. Let's see that. Let's see. Gotta make sure you see that. Ooh. But can you hear though? I hope you can hear. I like to start with the sides, you know, work my way around the edges, and then you really get into the main course, you know. You start with your veggies. You know, it's Christmas. If you hear some other conversation, you know, it's just in the other room. But, you know, I had to get in this review. Oh, my fault, yeah. All right, so my fault. We got the Wagyu steak. We got green beans. We got mashed potato. It's kind of like some of them mashed, but not all of them mashed. But we got some potatoes. We got some shrimp mac and cheese. Hey, this from the grocery store. This from HEB. This from HEB. It's the holiday. Everything closed. I'm not a chef like that. I don't be cooking. So this from HEB, I was like, you know what? That look good. Let me go ahead and treat myself. I was leaving work and just thought, you know what? It'd be nice to eat pretty good on a holiday, you know, because I wasn't cooking. So I stopped by the grocery store and hooked myself up. So this from HEB. So I'm going to keep it real with you. All right. Let's start with the green beans. We get a couple green beans up in there. My mouth is watering for real. Because I like to eat. Okay. See, they low-key was skimping on the green beans. Like, I'm going to demolish these right quick before I even let you know how I feel. Okay. Got a nice bite to it, not overcooked. Fresh. Oh yeah, that's some good green bean. That's some good green bean right there. You know, I could have put some salt on them, but you know, actually, you know, I mean, it would have tasted better with salt, but I don't be needing salt, so you know, I'm good without it. Okay, we got ourselves some potato. Can you see the steam? You see the steam on there, boy? Get this out the way, man. It's hard. I can't see. Y'all can see the plate though, right? Got some potato. Oh, these are new potatoes. These not mashed. These are new potatoes. But so, we got a good taste. They soft. They soft, you know. They turn into mashed potatoes by the time it's, you know, I'm 2 chews in.
He literally was standing there and fell back. Maybe they'll show it again. Well, there was that barrier.
Ooh.
But he was in front of that.
Buttery, soft. That got some flavor on it right there. That got some. The green beans a little lacking a little bit. Like I said, missing the salt, but the potatoes, but the potatoes though. Nah, that's packed. Gotta cleanse my palate with the pineapple juice, you know. Okay. Steak or the mac and cheese? I'm not gonna lie. Nah. I won't. You know what I said earlier. This got real buttery, boy. Do you see that? I don't want to spill it, but ooh, I just pulled it out the oven like this. Let me give it a quick stir. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even. Boy, it smelled crazy. Let me get that. Ooh. I'm honestly, you know, I'm not huge on seafood nowadays. You know, it's not like I love shrimp, but I knew some of my viewers would be like, "Ooh," I knew this would drive some of y'all crazy. So I was like, let me go ahead and get that. I'm gonna do a little surf and turf action, you know. Woo! Let me get some shells up in there. Get some shells and get. Y'all see this thing? It's hot and fresh, boy. Merry Christmas. If y'all knew how I really eat, you would know how difficult it is for me to like be patient and really, you know, go into detail for these bites right here. This is a big ass shrimp. It's a big old shrimp, and I got like 6, 7 of them in here. They did not skip. This ain't no stiff cheese. They went with like the elbow shells. I don't know. Bro, stop. No, there's crack in this. Nah, I feel like I went to New Orleans real quick. I feel like this done took me to New Orleans real quick. Hold on. Boy, these some big shrimp. Like, look. This ain't no tiny. This ain't no tiny shrimp. You know what I'm saying? It's nice, hot and fresh. Cheese is creamy. Nice and soft and buttery. What more can I say? Like, that shrimp was... I ain't know shrimp could melt in your mouth like that. But it sure did. It sure did. That was some very fresh shrimp right there. That's a fact. I mean, look, dive into this. This ain't your baby mama stiff ass mac and cheese, boy. It's nice and silky smooth. Nice and silky. You see, now this was strategic. This was strategic. This chess, not checkers. Because, like I said earlier, we working our way around the edges and getting in. So this whole time that we was working around the edges and we was taking our time. But that was to let patience is a virtue. That was to let this steak sit here. Get these juices to what do you call it? We letting it rest. We letting it rest. We don't want all these juices coming out immediately when we cut into it, because it was hot out the oven. You gotta let your meat rest. Pause. It's levels. So now, who I'm about to dive in. Might as well. My mouth is watering, bro. Can you? Now this is a deal at the grocery store, bro. Cause what? You go to a restaurant, you got you some shrimp mac and cheese, a steak, a couple sides. That'll run you $30, $40, maybe $50. Bro, we got this for the low. $25, boy. Both think about that, bro, because the shrimp mac, you going and paying $10 off rip. Maybe 12, maybe 15. The steak 20 minimum. The steak 20 minimum. So that's 35 minimum plus tip, plus your drink and all that. This right here is $20-$25, bro. I ain't never had Wagyu beef, so I'm not no expert. I don't know what to compare it to. Let me know. You let me know what you think. If you more familiar and you're an expert, or you an expert, it's hard to talk when your mouth watering. That was a big bite. My fault, y'all. I stuffed my mouth. Pause, but that was tender, bro. Tender. Like minimal effort chewing. Just delicious. Juicy. There you go. I didn't get a better setup, y'all. Nah, this is as good as I was hoping, though. Hold on. I've been thinking about this mac and cheese like the whole time I was taking a bite of the steak. I told you. I did this for y'all because I don't really be liking shrimp like that. But this low-key my favorite so far. Like, hold on. Let me get back into the steak though, because that's what I think. I think one more bite and that's gonna be my favorite. But this mac and cheese for sure smacking the sides though, for sure, hands down. But these potatoes good though. All right. Main course, baby. I mean, I be having steak, but Wagyu though. The Wagyu. Oh yeah, that's just, my hand ain't tired. It's easy to cut, boy. It's butter. Butter, boy. Big bite, I know. I done bit off more than I can chew, boy. Ooh. That was a big, big bite. Calm down. Ooh, y'all saw me chewing forever. I thought I was done. I thought I was gonna drown in the steak. And I thought it was hard to chew. I just ate too much, goddamn. Okay. Nah, it's nice and seasoned though. Tender meat, juicy. This some steak though, for real. This is different. Like this, this ain't the steak that I be having, like, just on an everyday occurrence. For the low too. It was $15. Here we go. We got one more. This is a more reasonably sized bite right here. I done learned my lesson, yo. I learned my lesson.
That's why you try it.
Ooh.
To see if you would like it.
Ooh. All right. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I should have put some salt on there. Got a green bean just stuck right there, boy. Why? Because they know I'm about to flame it. The green bean could have used, just a pinch of salt. That's really the only thing lacking right there. That's really the only thing lacking right there. Just a little bit of salt on the green beans. But these potatoes, boy, nice and soft and buttery. The accessories, the accoutrement, they're doing that thing. The role players, they showed up to play. That's good. That's a good pairing with the steak. I feel like I'm having a steak meal. I'm good. I really could have used more green beans. I would have enjoyed more green beans. They could have used a pinch of salt though. Had a little bite to them. Tasted fresh. I need a little bit more salt. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 on the green beans. The potatoes, though. We're going 8 out of 10 on the potatoes. 8 out of 10 on the potatoes. The potatoes are pretty good. See that mac and cheese, boy, god dang. There's some good mac and cheese on its own. But then the shrimp is almost like shrimp scampi. Like real garlicky. Like tender but chewy, got the nice tender chew to it. You don't want chewy shrimp. But it's shrimping. It's shrimping. Keep it shrimping, pimpin'. See, I done left myself with all these steak bites though at the end now. I'm finna have me a time. See the steak. I usually have my steak a little bit more well done. It's like medium rare. It's like medium rare. It might be a little rare. I'm not gonna lie to you. It might be like a rare steak. That's a rare steak right there. Tender. Juicy. Got that. You know, that nice peppery seasoning on it. Oh yeah, these. I almost want to save some of these and have some like steak and eggs later. But I'm gonna be real with you. There's no later. There's no later. You might not see the rest of this, but I will. Yeah, these done. These done. Oh yeah, I think I done found some gristle though. That'll put up a fight right there. Ooh, there we go. Hold on. Boy, we got some tough gristle. Damn, boy. Do surf and turf be overrated? Let's have a real conversation, family. Because this is good. This is real good. But we all know surf and turf ain't cheap. Surf and turf ain't never cheap. Where you get surf and turf for a bargain? Uh-oh. I forgot where I was for a second. My fault. I got too comfortable at home. All right. Let's see. I mean, in total, overall, as a total package, I'm gonna have to say, I'm gonna have to leave it at 8.5. I'm gonna have to leave it at 8.5. The shrimp mac and cheese, if that's on its own, it's a 9. It's a 9. That's smack. And it's enough that like you could, that's on its own, it's straight, it's standalone. Now the Wagyu. Now Wagyu though. I mean, it's not the steak that was holding it back. If anything, it's like the green beans for sure. The green beans didn't show up like everybody else did. But like I said, you know, because the shrimp mac and cheese is so good standalone, and everything else came together. I mean, that's why, you know, it held the whole package back. So we got like a 9 and like an 8. Because them green beans is like a 7. Do the math on that. But I ain't have to tip nobody. Took me 15 minutes to get it. Now that I have the itis, I don't have to drive home to take my nap. So it's an overall, 8 out of 5. I mean, 8.5 out of 10 experience, Mm-hmm. Let's see. I'm wondering if I should do this anime review today or tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie, I got the itis a little bit. Need me a little nap. Anyway, family, Merry Christmas. Appreciate you for tuning in. Comment what you thought. Share the video to somebody you think would enjoy it. Let me know if you're trying to follow more content. All praise is due to the Most High. Peace.